6% test positivity, and that is a very significant improvement from where we were a month ago. And it's a much safer place to be. And so again, thank you. Thank you for hanging in there with the pause and following the rules. It turns out it was the right call, and it's been very effective, and it's just allowed us to stabilize the situation.
Guys, we made it.
Licensing fee.
Fireworks.
Well, that's a great naval band.
Kick the damn thing before it burns the fucking dock down. Nice.
It's a tea party.
Now
See?
you can grab it.
I told you you'd be a good firefighter.
Oh God, it's still going.